Okay, now I'm going to start. First I'm going to log in into my Ubuntu server. Now, as you can see, I've successfully logged in into my Ubuntu server. Now, let us follow up on the procedures that we are to do on this assignment. So, firstly, I'm going to create a user. I'm going to use this command sudo add user ems and then I enter my user passwords. So this command lets you perform quite a number of tasks when creating a user. It lets you enter the password of the user, enter the full name of the user, which is Spark, enter the room number if you don't have any, enter the work phone if he has the work phone, and once you're done, you press Y to show that the information is correct. And now we have successfully created our user. Secondly, we need to create a group. So we're going to use this command add group, and let's say we want to create the group accounting, so we're going to say AWC. Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Oh, I think due to the screencast recording thingy, it's acting up. So let's re-enter the code again. Oh, come on, guys. Group. Yes, add group or ACC. ACC. And press enter. Okay, I'm gonna need sudo. Done. Now we've created the group. And secondly, what we're going to do is I'm going to add the user that we created into the group that we just created. So we use this command firstly. We type sudo. This is boring. Sudo. Right, user mode, user user mode minus and capital letter G. And the name of the group that we created, and the user that you created. Okay, what was the name of the user? MSKKU. Now there was successfully added, we used the group. So As you can see, this is the group that belongs to our user. So secondly, I'm going to show you how to check for partitions. Now this is the partition and the 40 gig that we used to create right there as at SDB. So now I want to mount the partition to the mount point. So firstly, wait, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I have no idea why it keeps doing that. Hmm. Okay, let me check something here. Now, why does it keep doing that? Sudo mount slash. Okay, firstly, I need to create a directory for one point. So I'm going to say mkdir slash drive. Okay, now we create the mount partition to the mount point, right? So it's sudo mount slash dv slash this is our partition, which is sdb, right? Slash drive. Okay, mount dev sdb slash drive wrong fs type bed option board. Okay, the problem is I'm not sure which which directory where my disk is located, but this is the code that you can use for that. And after you've done that, you write this code sudo mount minus t, right, ext full slash dv slash sdb slash drive, and press enter. And then you will have created your partition. And now secondly, we need to identify the name of our network interfaces. And after that, to edit, you write sudo nano slash etc slash net plan slash, you enter the name of the interface right here, and then you press enter. After you press enter, it will be prompted into uh, a file that you need to edit. After you edit the file, and then you press Ctrl X and then Y to save the file so that you can be able to configure your static IPv4 address. And now moving on, this is how you can create. This is how to create a welcome user note. So firstly, you need to write sudo nano in order to edit the file. You click update dash motd dot d slash 01 minus custom. You'll be prompted to a file which you will need to edit. You edit with the message that you need to edit. After you've edited the message, after you've created your welcoming message, you then save. And after you save this file, you then write this code so as to activate it. You write this code x slash etc slash update motd dot d slash 01 custom. Then after you run this code, it will activate the file that you've edited earlier on. And then now we need to restart our server in F2X. Firstly, you need to write this code so that you can open a text editor. Then you can edit. After you have clicked this, and you can select any of the text editors that will pop up on the screen by using a number. And after doing that, I'm not going to do that due to time. And after doing that, you then you then write this. So this means that the server will restart every time at 4 a.m. And then this code will tell the server to shut down. And then this one to restart plus set plus 2, which means we'll have to restart each and every 2 years. Then once I've written this, you then save the code. And then moving forward for data collection, firstly you need to install a collector service. So to install the service, you write apt get install uh, collected. Once you run this code, it will prompt you to install. And after you've installed it, you can either use this code to start the service, or you can use this code as well to start the service. Either way, both codes works depending on the version of the system of the operating system that you'll be using. And now this one is to show you how to upgrade and update repositories. So you can write sudo apt update, and then sudo apt upgrade. This will update and upgrade repositories at the same time. So I'm not going to do that due to time as well. And now to install the desktop for Ubuntu, firstly you need to update, and then secondly you write this code sudo apt install slim. Then after you install slim, you will then install again. This is the code that you have to do. Apt install light dm. You press enter, and then it will prompt you. You follow the promptings, and then this is the other code again. Ubuntu desktop. You press enter as well, and after you've done that, you need to start the services. So in order to start services, press this is the code or the command that you will use. After you run this command, the service will get started. And then moving on to the last and the final one, this code is used to restrict permissions to users and groups. So you write chmod 750 slash home slash, you enter the username that you need to restrict, and then once you've done that you press enter, and the user will be restricted to certain groups. And then to set a password for a group, you need to use this command sudo gpassword, and then you enter the name of the group, and then after that you then enter the password, and then the password will be successfully entered. So this is all that I have, and this is how I had to prove. Due to time I couldn't show you everything, so this is all that I have right now. Thank you.